And we are live. Didn't think we'd be live today, but here we are. Happy to be back on stream today. We're here about 2 minutes before market open. And let's see. It looks like we had some interesting developments yesterday. All right, let's see. All right, so do we think the market is opening or closing red or green today? All right, so okay, we're a little split to start today. Got a 50% red, 25% green, 25% break even. All right, now we're starting to shift a little bit. All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Here, let me hop over to the charts. So, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm probably gonna start out the day here in Robinhood. I am watching for a hero call on Tesla. Tesla's already come down. Actually, I want to go down to like a lower time frame on Tesla, maybe like the 1 minute. And I want to kind of watch for like some kind of hero call. Try to grab some sort of hero call, see what I can get on Tesla. Because I think Tesla can, it can definitely continue falling, but I'm just doubtful that they're going to want to pay that out today. All right, so market's open. They're selling it off. Let me see where the calls are. So Tesla is trading around 220. Okay, yeah, selling off. Yeah, let them sell it off. Let them push the volume down. I would love to see them just come down to this 212. Hey, what's good, Skittles? Good morning. Good morning, Mass 3DRC. I'm not sure. Well, so yeah, I'm gonna have the chart open for Tesla right here. We'll see. I want to give the contracts time to go down, and then also give the market time to set out a footprint. So may not even, if I don't see Tesla contracts get cheap enough, may not even take a trade the first hour of the day. We'll see. Hakeem, good morning. Jessica B, good morning. Yeah, I didn't even expect to be back today, but hey, here we are. Tatiana, good morning. Hey, I honestly didn't even expect to be gone yesterday. My wife had a thing, but I thought I didn't know it would be in as early in the day as it was. So because of that, that's why I didn't tell y'all I wasn't going to be on stream. But yeah, it worked out because today I can be on stream. The Princess in the P, good morning, good morning. You're very welcome. Thanks for joining the stream. Tootsie, good morning, good morning. Yeah, so Tesla is in a solid downtrend right now. This is like what's really grabbing my attention. I want to see how long this downtrend goes. This is on the 1 minute chart, by the way. So, Rick, good morning, good morning. I'm trying to play the game of patience, but also, like, I feel Tesla is going to be really good for like a hero call today. I might be willing to throw probably like no more than 70 at some kind of reversal. Manuel, good morning, good morning. Hey, happy to have y'all back. Did not think we would be here today. All right, let's see. See if Tesla can continue this trend. It'll be wild if this trend line holds up. Like starting out, oh, like it's just crazy. I'm drawing trend lines on the 1 minute. Jorman, good morning. Good morning. Low-key, I feel like these good mornings in the morning. It's almost like roll call back when I was in school. Remember, it used to be so cool to be. Everybody be like, here, here. Then there'd always be that random kid that said, present. Okay. Daniel Haskell, good morning, good morning. Hey, welcome, welcome. Happy to have you, man. All right, yeah, we're still selling on off this. The trend is legit right now in this 1 minute. So one thing I want to bring your attention to. So on a higher time frame, I think I was targeting this 212 level because this was like a major buy. But honestly, if we get to about this 212, I'm gonna zoom out real fast and show y'all. So right here is what I was like kind of looking at. This is a really strong trend line that we buy up from. So yeah, if we pull back there, I'm really going in on a hero call. All right, so getting back into it. Yeah, if we want to fall there, I'm not going to be mad. All right, so wait, where is you said I was the present kid. That was me on occasion. But what was funny was when I was saying present, I didn't know what it meant to be present. Like, I found it funny because I'm like, why are we talking about presents? Like, it's not Christmas or it's not anyone's birthday. But I had no idea what it meant to be present in the point of time I was saying that. All right. On point yesterday, I was considering swinging my Tesla calls. I'm so glad I didn't. Hey, I'm glad you took profit too. I had some calls that I had from last week, and I just held them, and they're kind of worthless. But hey, it is what it is. But I did call, like, I think Corey in the Discord, he had said something about he said something about asking if I was grabbing anything for the event. I said no. But I said the targets would be kind of like there was a gap fill around 230. And then 265 would be to the upside. Now, actually, if we look at it here, let's look at it on a higher time frame. There's a gap fill up to about 238. Honestly, it could get to a point where it might be a better idea to grab something for next week. All right, so we're breaking the trend line on the 1 minute, but I'm really kind of just going to watch this EMA and then also see, like right now, the market structure. I'm definitely not trying to rush into anything right now. Angie B, good morning, good morning. Yeah, I missed y'all yesterday. But yeah, we're back. Yeah, let's see how this candle closes. Are we breaking market structure to the upside? We making a new high? Let's see. Is that the same high or a new high? Okay, we got a little pull back to the upside on the 1 minute. So we pull back to about 515. Yeah, for now, I'm just going to watch this. I'm going to watch the EMA for now on the 13th. All right, so didn't get filled on my 220 call at 212. Are you talking about Tesla? Oh, man. Hey. I don't know if that's sarcasm, but it seems like sarcasm to me because if you had a 220 call that you didn't get filled on, especially if you were trying to swing it, I don't know. Hey, that's a blessing. Oh, maybe, I don't know if you were trying to buy it down here. I mean, yeah, if you're trying to take a quick trade, yeah, there was definitely a lot of money to be had in that quick move from down here at about 214 up to 218. Here, let me turn the volume on. I know it's kind of, that's something I want to see. Okay, it's kind of trying to pick back up a little bit. Let me check the analysis on it again. Okay, so it's trying to wake up. Yeah, that's about, yeah, that's already a $5 move out the bottom. What's the rest of the market doing? Here, let me see what this is looking like on. Okay, still kind of, here, let me delete that trend line. Still don't want to rush into anything. So yeah, looks like we still have good movement. What was this? This is this morning. So I'm trying to like make levels that I wouldn't. Yeah, I was trying to get off 214, VWAP looking like the resistance. Yeah, let's see where VWAP is real quick. Just out of curiosity. I don't like having way too many lines because it looks like we got a lot of lines. But I'm looking for something I can ride for a little bit. I don't want to like jump in right at the start. So that's the 15-minute. Okay, that's, see what the VWAP's looking like. Let me clear that out. Go to a 10. Let me clear this little, don't like that band on there. Okay, 5-minute. Okay, so on a 5-minute, still making lower lows and lower highs for now. Let's look at a 2. Same story on a 2 too. Well, lower high, or lower low, lower high. Let's see what happens with this. 2-minute may be the chart for me. We'll see how this goes. Sometimes the 1 minute's too aggressive for me. 9 EMA support on the 1 minute. All right, let me get rid of the VWAP for now. Wait, where'd that trend line I just drew went? Oh, I think I want to draw something steeper than that. Let's look at this one right here. See how that's looking. Let's see. Price action on the SPY is looking, I'm not loving it. Okay, so Tesla right here. All right, so once again, I'm kind of watching the EMA, but it looks like we got a low, we got a high, Or we could call something like this a high. It looks like we may be going to make another high. Question is, do we make a higher high? I was also trying to look at AMD, see what happened with that. And you say you got in on a 225 Tesla call. I'm working with, let me see how much buying power I have right now. I got about $133 buying power in this account, so I'm trying to use it wisely. And what do I think about a call on the SPY? I called resistance on the SPY. I said it was at about 577, but like it's resistance. Like the highest it's been today was about 577. It's like I want to see it break that with volume before I do anything, because the SPY is at all-time highs. So it's like I would like to. I don't love the idea of a call on the SPY unless you're being like really quick, and I would prefer a call on a pullback. All right, so Tesla might kind of have an uptrend going here. So let's see. We're on the 2-minute. Let's see if how this holds up. It's like a call could potentially be the move. All right, you said you're in at 95. Yeah, I'm really just not trying to rush. I think we have data in like a minute. Let me see. No, we got a Fed speaker in a minute, and then we have consumer sentiment in, maybe it's in 15 minutes that we have consumer sentiment. We have a Fed speaker coming on right now, though. Let me check. So, yeah, we have a Fed speaker, Goolsby, and then we have consumer sentiment in 15 minutes. So that's like before, that's something I probably want to wait before I'm like watching any trends for the day, because it's possible we could trend in one direction all day, but it's like first off, like I want to see volume in what I'm doing. Like you get all this volume at first, and you get all this volume on this first candle over here, but our volume's just going down. I want to see us make moves with volume. All right, so trends not fully holding up on the 2-minute to the upside. As of right now, this 13 EMA is still holding on the 2-minute as our resistance. So what I'm looking for is kind of something to break that. Okay, I got an alert on Meta. Meta is crossing some kind of something I drew. Okay, let's zoom out. So Meta, I had this trend line drawn. Meta has let's watch Meta. It's like Meta could potentially have a break to the upside. We'll see. Like if they close above this with string, could be something. Matt, can you offer some Robinhood? Hold on, let me save. Okay, I'm watching Meta, but let's see real quick. So they had to move down here. Zoom out. I mean, could. I'm not really seeing too much here. Like, it's something that trades with lower volume. Let me slide this up real quick. Hold on one second. I'll come back to that. I just want to make sure that okay. So Meta would be up around 587. Okay, yeah, just wanted to make sure I knew what was up with that. Okay, SPY is moving up a little bit. Tesla is trying to move up a little bit. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit the like button. Definitely don't do that. We'll see if YouTube will be a little bit kinder today and like not scam me whenever we if we hit all-time highs again. Saw someone on Discord had nice gains, thought you'd ask. I mean, definitely never a bad idea. I just honestly just need to watch out. Yeah, Tesla has had a good movement from the bottom. Okay, so looks like we're getting a push from something. I'm not sure if the FOMC member is saying something. Yeah, but Robinhood is catching volume, so this looks like the volume on everything is increasing right now. So it's like, yeah, it's very well possible you could catch something off Robinhood. All right, so Tesla does kind of have I guess a stronger trend. We could probably maybe draw something like that. Yeah, but Robinhood, yeah, it looks like it has legs because it's catching the volume. Let's see where the next levels will be for Robinhood. Dang, it's been a minute. Honestly, with Robinhood, I would try to find like some kind of trend. Like I would just look to ride maybe. Like watch the 2 minute. Try to draw a trend on the 2 minute or something like that. And see where you think that could go. I'm gonna go back to the SPY. All right, so Grand Rising. Good morning, man. What do you think about TSLL? Oh yeah, that's a good way to play TSLL. I hear nothing. Is it just me? Let me turn my volume up to see. I think that might be just you because I can hear it on my other device. Setups, good setups today. Think might be resistance at yeah. That's a oh. Okay, so Palantir definitely like ripped it actually. Let's see. A lot of DJT. So yeah, Trump, the better he does, the better his stock does. So might want to steepen that up a little bit. Maybe draw something like that. Let's see. I'm not sure if I fully trust this move. I did say I wanted to kind of give the market some time. Like there have been plenty of good trades to be had, but I'm trying to wait to. I'm waiting for the market to kind of give its footprint, and then also as the morning goes on, the premium you pay for certain contracts gets cheaper. So it's like if you're able to snipe something like after an hour, it'll be considerably cheaper just because of premiums, just because of the theta and whatnot. So let's see. Let me see how Tesla calls have moved. All right, so yeah, so the calls I was looking at earlier today have already dropped about $20 because I was looking at a 230 call, I was looking at a 227, and I think when I was looking at the 227, it was around like it was over $1 at first. Then it was under like 7. Now it's like it's at like 57. So it's the prices are getting better for these contracts in my opinion. Palantir has been in beast mode. Yes, it has. Absolutely has been in beast mode. All right, so yeah, I think it's safe to say this trend line is not really anything. I'm gonna look at this on the 5 again. I want to see where all the volume is coming in on Tesla. Let me run kind of the analysis on it real quick. So there is a lot of volume at the 220 level. There's a lot of, okay. So yeah, there's a lot of call volume at the 220 level. Let's see. But there's also like a load of puts, which is open interest. It's like, I think if we can chill with the call volume, like it wouldn't surprise me for them. Okay, all right, let's watch the SPY. All right, because the SPY is now coming to test this level that we had up here. Let's see if we can draw some trend lines. It's coming to test like the kind of resistance for the day. Like this was the pre-market kind of support, pre-market resistance up here. Let's see if we can get a break with volume. And if we do, hey, that might be something too. Might be able to throw about $30 or $50 or so at that. Let's see. All right, Skittles, thank you. I'm back. Vietnam technology 50 years behind USA. Nothing like 2G. Honestly, that's crazy to think that you're trading on 2G, in my opinion, because especially if you're trading options with this. Curious, anyone seeing VinFast EVs in you? No, I have not seen them. I can hear you all. All right, so Tesla, the downtrend is still going. This is why I was like a little bit hesitant. I'm like really not trying to rush anything. I would rather buy some cheap contracts today. And then also in 3 minutes, we should have consumer sentiment. So I want to once again come back down to the 2 minutes, see how things look. This is our new 2-minute trend. Kind of right here. See if we can get a continuation of that. Jorman, I saw one VIN fast driving in Las Vegas. They've also have a show. Okay, well, hey Jorman with the information. All right, so here, let me also come back to Meta. So I still have my eye on the spy. I have an alert set, but kind of beyond that, let me see how much contracts on Meta are. And then let me also check the analysis for today. Let me check Meta out. Yeah, if I went for Meta, I would have to like really throw in for Meta. Let me check the analysis on it though. So once again, kind of getting a break of Tesla again. So it is putting in a higher low right here on the 2. So we got no wait. Yeah, we'll kind of see what's it look like on the 5. Yeah, this is looking like a higher low, but this could just be internal structure. So we'll once again need to see like a break of this high over here. Meta looks like it's trying to break. We should be getting the consumer sentiment right now. Meta did cross to the upside. I think I like a Meta call. I'm going to look at... I really like this 590 call. I know it's a little over what I normally go. It's like a little over 100. I'm going to see if I can snag it at like, oh, no. I'm going to just try to get it. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to move. So I put in for 115. I grabbed the Meta call. And we'll see if we can take it anywhere. I grabbed a 590 Meta call. The target I was looking at was kind of up here. We'll see if it has legs. Currently down like I paid at the ask, so I paid more than I necessarily needed to, but we'll see, because it looks like we're breaking the trend. I see an increase in volume. Right now on the 5 we're crossed up, so that looks like it could turn out to be something nice. So yeah, we'll see how Meta turns out. See if we can get some steam on this. Right now I'll kind of watch this on a 2-minute. And let me see where my break even would be. So 591, my break even would be 591.50. That's a long way. All right, so my break even would be all the way up there. So we'll see. All right, Skittles, thanks. Okay, Sergeant Boss Hog. What's up, family? What's good? All right, so we're catching some volume catching some little movement on Meta. I like the look of it. Let me see. Consumer sentiment. It came in below expectations. But yeah, we'll have to see. Let's see if we can get any good momentum right here. I'm up 16% on this Meta trade. Let's hope we can get some good momentum and like kind of push. Let me check the analysis on Meta. Right now, it looks like it could be like a little fake out. On the 5 minute, it looks a lot better. We crossed up. We got a little retest here. Okay, pushing up on Meta some more. A lot of volume at the 585 call strike. I'm kind of risking a lot on this trade. Let's hope we can kind of get continued volume. But yeah, now I'm just in this trade riding. I still want to watch Tesla too. But see how we're looking at it on the 10 on Meta. I mean, it's still looking all right on the 10 on Meta as well. Today, looking good for puts on NVIDIA, but have to be careful for support. All right, let's, so I have resistance up here at, I think, 135. I have support around this area. IWM. What's going on with IWM? Yeah, IWM, I remember specifically saying I wasn't like loving the chart for it this morning. All right, so yeah, IWM's going crazy. So it looks like they kind of got a cross this morning. And then, yeah, now they just want to run. Yeah, so IWM, well, the volume has, well, okay, so what, we're on a 15-minute chart. Let's go to a 5. Okay, so their volume is increasing a little bit. So yeah, they're moving a little bit. Looking on a 5 minute, I can see their trend is kind of something like this. We can try to watch that for now. Looking all right there on IWM. All right, so on the 10-minute, I see the 200 moving average is or EMA is right here. So I want to see us get above that. When I was looking, we were above that, I believe, on the other. Yeah, we're above that on the other time frames. We still look like we're doing all right on the 5 too, or on the 2. Doing all right on the 5. It looks like we're about to cross it on the 5. So yeah, right now we're still doing all right. SPY, let's see. Oh yeah, SPY. Yeah, SPY looks like it would have been good to go too. So actually, let's see. It broke it, but it didn't break it with like crazy volume. The volume did increase. But here, let's see what it looks like on the 2. I mean, yeah, if the SPY wants to run, go ahead, SPY, let's run. Yeah, SPY going up. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that would have been a good play too. Whenever someone asked me about the SPY earlier, whenever that happened, that was just that would have just been guessing. So had you taken that, it would have played out, but it's just like taking trades like that with no like rhyme or reason. It doesn't usually play out well for me. So we're in the green on Meta a little bit. If Meta wants to start moving similarly to the SPY, I will not be mad. But yeah, we'll kind of watch Meta, let it do its thing. Let me watch it again on the 10. See if we can close above this 200 EMA on the 10. That'll be good. I'm up like $3 on my Meta call, $4. Yeah, let's see. So the VIX is going down, which typically stocks will go up for. Let's see how the Dixie is doing. That thing trying to pump up. We need the Dixie to go on and come down. Oh, and Oxy. So I grabbed a call on Oxy earlier this week. For those of you who don't know, I never closed out of it. But it kind of has a way to go before it's actually doing anything. Let's see. Let me see how my Oxy is doing. So Oxy is, yeah, I'm down huge on that. That's worth like $14. Let's see. Yeah, break even on Oxy is like way up here for me. But yeah, I'm gonna let that one do what it does. Meta is starting to get some volume, which is exactly what I was wanting. So yeah, Meta can. Here, yeah, now I'm up 20% on Meta. And go to a 5. Yeah, Spy's kind of going crazy. And now it looks like I kind of made a bad choice with Meta, or didn't make the best choice. It's like I don't know how I would know that Spy was going to make a move like this, but here, let's go back, look at the Spy. Yeah, Spy it broke this level and just decided to go crazy. I feel like they'll probably try to bring it down though. They'll probably try to push it up, get some people trapped in it, and then try to sell it off or something. But if they want to kind of have it be like one of those slow days, that'll be cool too. QQQ call. Let's see. Let's go to a 15. So the Qs came down and bounced off this 200 on the 15. Spies. All right, so yeah, the Qs are kind of break even, and yeah, so it looks like there could be room to run on the Qs, because the Qs is down, but Tesla is part of the Qs. So yeah, I'm not going to take the Tesla trade, but it looks like now is kind of the chance, because Tesla is now breaking its trend. So I would look for Tesla to come up to like 225 at least. Like if this trend this trend line wants to be respected, or maybe the last touch. I'll watch 223 first, then 225. And if it really wants to have a crazy day, it could come up and close this gap at 240. Nvidia broke resistance, so it broke resistance with volume. so NVIDIA can run. Like it's very well possible for NVIDIA to test its highs up at like 141 or something. Next level to really watch is going to be about 137.30. And if it goes above that, it's like 141. Just did a quick 40 on QQQ. Not bad. That's Taco Moani since I'm back in Mexico. Oh, Taco Money. Yeah, that's what's up. Low-key, I'm not sure how many tacos I had when I was in Mexico. It's like I love tacos, but I don't think I had like any crazy good tacos when I was in Mexico. Good morning. Good morning, Rich. Welcome. Welcome to the stream, family. All right, so now hey, kind of just sit back. Like if you're in anything, just let them do their thing. It's like this is where we need to exercise patience and kind of just hope we keep getting volume and it keeps pushing up. All right. Draw your trend lines for your trades. Oh no, and I got what you meant, Jorman. Like when I read it, I was like Moani. I was like money. Okay. Jesus Spy is about to hit 80. Yeah, so just know that 80 is going to be a big psychological level. So just know that could be a good area for us to get slapped down. If we get slapped down. I don't know why Meta's not moving. Meta is 0.66. Let's go to like a 15. Yeah, this might just be like a patience kind of testing kind of day. We should be going down hard on the SPY. Hey, that very well could happen, but things don't always move the way that we should or way they should. So, hey, it is what it is. But also, one thing to note is the Dixie is coming down now. So, like if we drop down, the Dixie is trending down. So, while this trends down, you would expect the SPY to come up. So, it's like you can prepare yourself for things to happen, but hey, ultimately you can just either ride with the trend that's going on or like try to intelligently prepare yourself. Man, I did not grab the best contract on Meta. I think I'm down like $1 on it now. Kind of sad. But yeah, I'm riding it for now. Let me I thought Meta was gonna get volume like it does and just shoot up. Oh wait, hold up. Honestly, the Q's is barely moving. The SPY is Yeah, trying to go up there. Why is the Qs, or why are the Qs pinned? Nvidia's up a little bit. Yeah, the SPY is just going crazy. SPY and IWM. SPY WM. It's like we're holding good levels of support on Meta though. Maybe the Qs will catch up later today. Cause yeah, this doesn't even make sense. See how we look on a 1 hour. I don't like Meta on a 1 hour right now. 30-minute, 15. Frank. Hey. Hey Frank, I hope I'm saying your name right. Hey. Let's see. Just got an Nvidia 140 call at $3 just for fun. We'll see what happens. Hey, that's exactly what 0DTE Friday is for. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Have to see how the day plays out, see how things turn on. Honestly, I'm not like on days like these, I'm not on long enough because it's like a lot of times it's like, oh, I wish I could hop back on stream and say something real quick, but it's like I also got to do stuff. Oh, okay. Frank is just like Frank Sinatra. Okay, got you. Just spelled a little bit differently from how I'm normally used to seeing it. Okay, the Qs looks like it's trying to push up a little bit. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, Qs looks like it's trying to push up a little bit. See him on a 1 hour. See the SPY on a 1 hour. Yeah, so the SPY broke, and then they like really broke. You said got a 579 call. I hope they keep pushing. So let's see. All right, so I don't think we're getting any more data. Yeah, we just have Fed speakers the rest of the day, so should be done there. Let's see. It's today the 11th. Okay, that's still not updated. All right, love AI stock volume on these are insane, literally. Oh, on Nvidia. Okay. I thought you were talking about actual like ticker symbol AI. Let's see. And you on the 577 call, just a little 200. I'm not. And the 577 call. And the Oh, and my 577. Okay. So what's up? All right. Yeah, let's see what kind of day we have. I think the market has kind of set its trajectory. I think Tesla may come, I feel like it'll at least come back to 225, but I kind of use my stuff, 228s. Yeah, but they left the gap up here to 239. One good thing about Tesla dropping down here is I'm averaging down at a lower cost today. That's cool. Oh wait, okay, so yeah, we got a new high on Tesla. Hey, we're still trending up on Meta. Just need more volume. Let me see where the market. Okay, said my spy call is okay. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay, I'm glad. Yeah, because I couldn't fully make sense of what you were trying to say. You recheck my trend line on Meta. So this should end up working, but will it end up working quick enough? I'm not sure because I may have drawn this on the 1 hour or the 4 hour. Might not be enough trade to really or time to get real fulfillment from this trade. So we got the Qs, we get yeah, but on all the lower time frames, we're still moving the way we need to. So I'm riding it. I just don't feel good because I didn't get as much time on it. Okay, it's trying to push back up a little bit. Came back to the 200. All right, SPY is really close to 80. It topped out at about 579.92. Yeah, we'll see what it does. We'll see how it reacts at this $80 level. Okay, SPY has officially broken 580 all-time high. It's crazy. Honestly, that's wild. Did I ever think? Here, let's actually take a look at the SPY on the year. This is insane. So we started out January 2024 at 470. Here, I'm going to clear these levels or clear this top side level. And also clear this alert down here. All right, so on the SPY, we started the year off. Where is it? At about 470. And yo, we are up at 579 or about 580 on the year. We're up almost like $110 on the year, 23% on the SPY. That's kind of wild to think. Like at the start of the year, who would have thought the SPY would be up anywhere close to that? Certainly not me. Think last year, like look at last year. So last year we opened the year off at about 383, close the year off, where are we? Yeah, so we got 24% pretty much last year. We're at 23% right now. And then honestly, if I am being real, the honestly, it seems like the economy both of these years were like tough. This is just like inflation kind of at its finest, almost, honestly. But yeah, we kind of just ran. Clear that. QQQ's moving. Are we finally getting some movement on the Qs? Okay, let's go. Let's see. Let's go to 15-minute. Zoom in. All right, so they got across the upside on the 10, the 15. I would like to see more volume come into the Qs. That's a big issue on it right now. Let's see if we go down to a 5. Might be able to draw like a trend. That might work. We'll see how this holds up. Let me try to draw one on Meta too. Honestly, if this trend line holds up for the morning, hey, I'm solid. So yeah, I'll kind of watch this trend line on Meta, because if this holds up, I'm at break even by 10:45. So yeah, we'll watch Meta, see how this holds up. That's the beauty of being able to draw trend lines. It's almost like a sense of comfort, or lets you know, hey, we need to get out. But I think I drew that on a 5, so let me stick to that, because it'll look different on different time frames. Okay, so let's see if we can move that a little bit. And steepen that up. All right, there we go. All right, if it wasn't for your trend line drawn, I would have taken a loss. Hey. Yeah, all you got to do is find the trend and, trade with it and follow it, ride it. Ride the trend, find the trend, ride the trend. And, things usually end up being all right. The only issue is sometimes we think we found the trend only to find out later that it wasn't the trend. That's Usually sucks when it's like that, but yeah, the Qs is doing well. Yes, the trend is your friend. The trend leads you to the money. Let's see how the. Well, let me take a quick look on the SPY. Get a little pullback. And let's go back. So it's like I see the SPY pulling back, but if the Qs wants to go and catch up with it, I would not be mad. Okay, so we're getting a little pullback here. Yeah, I would love to see a continuation. Let me. Yeah, good little consolidation here. Let me go down to a lower time frame. Okay, so might see a little chart pattern here. You might have a little something here. I'm not fully sure. Yeah, hopefully we break this and just burst right up. We'll see. Qs, okay, so the Qs look like they're kind of respecting this trend line on the 5 for now. Let's see. Okay, let's go Meta. Hey, we'd expect this to at least take us to this high right here if we do break it. All right, the Qs is trying to break the trend. Let me see how this looks on a. All right, we'll see what this ends up looking like. Okay, so we got Meta. Oh no. Moment. Okay, so we're still holding on the Qs. All right, you said eBay. Yeah, let's take a quick look at eBay real quick. So just going for like a quick one on eBay. I don't know. Let's see. That's a 5-minute. Oh, it might take a little time. You did get a little cross to the upside on eBay. Looks like there's a little resistance at the $77 area. So like if this is a trend line, it looks like it's breaking right here. It might come back and test this 66.45 area. That's kind of just a quick analysis on eBay. Go back to the Qs and watch that real quick. All right, we're still kind of riding. We'll see if we can get above this $94 area. Feel like that's where I kind of had resistance on the watch list. Let's get a break of this $94 area. If we get that, I feel a lot better, especially if we can like get an increase in volume off that. See where this candle closes. Whole lot of patience. All right, so right now the Qs look like, let me check the other time frames. Still look all right on like a 15, 10, wait. So yeah, like on a 15, 10, 5. Yeah, I would still give it, yeah, I would say we're still chilling right now on this trend line. I wouldn't get faked out yet. See where this closes, see where the next one closes, and if we're below on the next one, hey, it's probably time to get out of there. All right, SMCI, been holding a $51 call all week. It's going. Let's see. I mean, it's possible. Yeah, we got some running to do, but it's possible. Hold up. So what was I doing? Oh, we were looking at the Qs. All right, so the trend may not have been the trend because we're still going up. We just crossed on the 15. I want to see if we can find like a better trend. I would say Meta still looks all right, but let's see if we can identify something a little more or a better point. All right, so there was down here. Let me go to the 5 again and see how this holds up. So that's kind of cutting out the wicks. Want to see how that holds up. This is a little closer to the EMA, so maybe the EMA would be something better to watch. See. But of course it's like really it's going to come down to this level. So it's like even if we looked at it on a shorter time frame, maybe came down to the 2. This right here almost looks like a flag or a pennant pattern, maybe. Like looking on the 2, what I see is like we're trending like this, and then we have a resistance kind of right here. So yeah, let's watch this for now. The Meta, I don't know what's going on with Meta. I think I'm on the 5. Let's look at Meta real quick. If I were to draw Meta, let's get rid of this. Meta's like playing with me, man. Okay, so newbie question. I saw an NVIDIA call for 121 with 1300 in premium for December 20. Oops. Learning mistake, but my share cost is 102. Well, past well past 134 price. What happens now? The buyer exercises whenever they want, or they wait until December. So they can exercise whenever they want. Okay, hold up. We're getting a break. Let me see on the 15. All right, let me run the analysis. I'll answer your question in a moment. I just want to see where things are looking for this. Like, see if this is some kind of just reset to the EMAs, or I'm kind of seeing like a larger, like I would say this is probably a better trend line. But if this is a trend line, I don't think I have the time to really. I don't think I really have the time to wait this out. Because Robinhood would sell me out. If this is the trend line, I might have Robinhood will sell me out like right at break even. So it could potentially be a move. This is just something I would have to watch all day, or have this trend line set for all day. All right, so let's see. And then let me finish the analysis on this. So there was a lot of interest at the 600 level, 595. The volume today is a lot at the 585. Yeah, they're probably going to want to keep that down. All right. Yo, Moolah checking in. Hey, appreciate you checking in, family. All right, Meta is still retesting this line. All right, I'm going to just close out. Probably take an L. So yeah, got a haircut on that. It's down 44. I'm not fully out yet, but I want to see how it responds here, or how it closes out. Because we're still crossed up. So there may be a better exit, but I'm probably looking to exit. Yeah, but the volume's just coming here to die, which means these contracts are probably have a good chance of just coming to die as well. I don't think it's gonna slow move enough to really come back to life. Yeah, it kind of looks like a double top. All right, so I'm going to sell out. I'm going to take a loss right there. Still live on the trade, but yeah, I took a 50% haircut on that trade. I'm going to also close out of the Oxy I had earlier in the week. Closing out of that for 10. All right, so 0DT Friday did not go in my favor. I do still have like $18 buying power, but I'm not going to try to like chase anything. Actually, hold up. One other thing I might want to look at is, okay, you said bought Costco $55. Wait, see, Cisco, my bad, Cisco. Let's see. $50 call doing pretty decent. They open up. Oh yeah, they opened up. Okay, so market open was over here. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Okay, so I don't think I drew a trend on the SPY, but I was gonna say there might be a move to the downside. See if I can find a trend real quick. I might be able to. Let's see. All right, so this is going to be my trend line on the SPY. Just kind of see. Let me see how much SPY options are going for. All right, so down here was, it might be worth something. We'll see. It's like I might try to go for something crazy with the 574 if we get a break. And check the volume and everything. Or maybe, like, I would expect there to be kind of more resistance up here at this level right here. So maybe we actually come down, come back up once again, and then kind of as we come into this, break back down, and that would be kind of a double top a little bit. And then we can come back down and make money from this movement down. So there's potential there. All right, so German, Tesla did not want to be good to us on Lottery Friday. I mean, Tesla has been up since that 214. It's just they kind of like ran and left. All right, so right here, SPY is testing this trend line, but I would like to see them kind of take their time, go back up a little bit, maybe try to make another high, and then, I don't know, maybe like break to the downside over here. That would be a nice to see. And if we see something like that, then I might go for a short. I'm gonna try to be a little patient for that. So that could take like another 20 minutes or so. I might try to go for a quickie on something like that. Dang, Meta's selling off now. I'm glad I closed out. It's the power of a trend line. So as of right now, that was just kind of like a fake out. It's probably about to. There's a good chance it breaks out soon, but as of right now, yeah, it wasn't necessarily the move to get in. But it's nice if you can catch like a 4-hour breakout on a daily like on the daily trade. It's like really nice when you're able to do that. But yeah, SPY is currently holding up at this 5 minute EMA. At some point, it's probably going to come back and maybe test the 200 or test over here. Yeah, I hope it push it back up. Market makers are doing what they do best, moving the markets around and barely moving it at the same time. All right, so yeah, the SPY is being pushed up a little bit right here. But it's also making a black candle. Tesla came so close to my buy levels today. Let me check Tesla on a 4-hour. So let me show y'all what I was looking at on Tesla. Let me get rid of this. So if we look at Tesla on a weekly chart, oh, now it looks like Tesla kind of has the double top going. So it's possible Tesla could come down and like make another low. Oh, there's so many things I see for Tesla right now. But what I was watching, Tesla kind of, there's this trend line right here. If Tesla were to come down to, actually it says as low as to, on the weekly chart it shows about 208. On a daily chart, here, let me clear that out. If Tesla were to come to about 212 on the daily chart, that would have been this trend line, and that would be the next touch for their leg up. But yeah, on Fridays you never know what you're gonna get. All right, so SPY looks like it's doing what I'm hoping for it to do. So yeah, it looks like it's coming around to make a double top. So that'll be nice if that is what it's doing. That means right now it's kind of burning out the theta, but if you can catch it, like when it's up at resistance, and like ride the contracts when they're cheap or grab the contracts when they're cheap going to the other direction, hey, you can make a lot from a little. So this day is not over yet, or at least not for me. It's not a bad idea if your day is over and you've been taking L's, but it's like I see something, might wanna go for it. Hakeem, all 48 should hit the like button. Smash the like button. Oh yeah, 32 likes, not bad. Hey, I appreciate each and every one of you that did smash the like button. I do like to express gratitude. If you want to smash the like button, help a brother out, I would appreciate it. Don't fully know what it does, but I did hear somebody say if you get Natalie, appreciate you. That if you get like more than 100 or something, like YouTube like shares it out more. That would be cool. I'm grateful for what I have, but hey, that would be cool too. All right, so 1665. I'm doing like some spreadsheet stuff while I'm waiting for the market to make its moves. But yeah, we're still pushing up. That's cool. Okay, we're up at 39. 39. Okay, that's one from 40. We got the family showing up right now. Hey, just out of curiosity, I know we have people from a lot of places here. If you are able to type in the chat, I just want to see, like, can y'all say, like, where y'all are from? Like, I know we got people in Vietnam, people in Mexico right now. I know we got some people out here in Dallas. I'm just curious. Want to know where the family is from while the market's just kind of chilling. Mississippi, Atlanta, okay. I haven't been out to Mississippi. Jamaica, okay. Hey, that's what's up. Akeem. Jamaica. Are you still in Jamaica or are you from Jamaica? California, Birmingham, San Antonio, okay. Cleveland. Went to Cleveland a couple years ago. Arizona. I feel like I've driven through Arizona, but I haven't been to Arizona. But I definitely need to go to Arizona. So yeah, people from everywhere and they don't like to hit the like button. Oh, I wonder if there's a correlation, like people from certain areas hitting like buttons. Seattle. I need to not sure about Seattle specifically, but I need to get out to Washington. Massachusetts. Why can't I say Massachusetts? Massachusetts. Okay, Fort Worth. Okay, Angie B. Yeah, I like to go out there. Go out to the stockyards, the water gardens. That's what's up. ATL, Wisconsin. And my wife loves cheese. We might need to go out to Wisconsin. Got a spy put on load. Okay. I still want to I still want to see if they come up and make the double top. But like one thing like right here, so spy broke below the support right here, or at least this trend line. And it's like typically when you break the trend line, it kind of holds as resistance. So it's possible we could kind of like ride this up here and then say we come back to this area of resistance. Then boom. So here, let me draw that for you. So it's like, oh, say we just kind of like ride it like this. And then we kind of consolidate over here and then boom, we get our movements. In the first area, I'm looking like the last place it touched the line was right here, or where it started was here. I don't know which one of those would be the neckline, but you would watch for the break of the neckline, or maybe it's like, oh yeah, right here we're just getting started, and maybe it's like, oh yeah, let's close the day out because this morning I had the resistance and support. No, I did not, but there is still a level down here we need to touch. No, yeah, this was, I feel like, it's today, Friday. No, that's from yesterday. But yeah, we'll see how that ends up going. We'll see how closely we end up following this over here. All right, so Nebraska, Walmart. Are you saying look at Walmart for a second? I thought you were saying like you're from Walmart. Let's see what's going on with Walmart. Okay, I don't see anything crazy. Wait, hold on. What time frame am I don't see anything crazy with Walmart. What were you trying to say about Walmart? Is there news? So Walmart got a raised price target today. Tootsie, I used to think Birmingham traffic was bad up until I got up in Atlanta traffic one day. It ain't for the weak, that's for sure. No, yeah, I'm not a fan of traffic. I am not a fan of traffic either. Yeah, it's like I'll go into Dallas on the weekends. I am not loving the traffic. South Florida. Oh, Tatiana, how you holding up? Are you in Florida right now? Tootsie said, "Oh, yes, it's bad." Hold up. Thank God for Nebraska. Oh, you said was just checking Walmart. So one thing I see on Walmart, it looks like it could be going for like a cross on the 15 minute. It's crossed up on the 5, or no, on the 10. It's also crossed up on the 5, and it's coming back to retest. So it might be going, it might be doing, it looks very similar to the SPY right now, actually. Yeah, but right now, when you overall, Dorothy, Houston, what part of Houston? I I'm not a fan of the traffic in Houston, depending on what part. It's like I'll go visit friends out there sometimes, and it's like, yo, I like to just stay put and be in one place because it's like it seems like any time of the day, even in the morning, is like there's nowhere near as much traffic in the mornings in Houston out there, but it's like even in the morning, it's still like way more traffic than I like. Whereas in Dallas, it's like in the morning, it's like I can get around on the roads. Like I can move between lanes. I have like space. But I'm talking, of course, I'm talking like the city parts, which I'm not like too big a fan of the city, but it's like I find it like almost impossibly hard to move in a way that I like driving in Houston. But Houston's all right. The Woodland. Okay, yeah, that's a nice area. Yeah. Hey, fun facts. It was like some years ago. It was when I was in college, but I like worked for kind of like I would say it's like a church camp kind of thing, but like we like traveled every week or whatever. And it's like we would stay in random people's houses for like a week at a time. And we would like throw kind of like a vacation Bible school kind of thing at at churches for a week. So we would go set up inflatables and have kind of like almost like field days and whatnot. And it's like I spent a few weeks out in the woodlands, and like the people I stayed with in the woodlands, they were like doing well. Like one of them is like a pretty big influencer. They lived at like down the street from a couple NFL players, and oh, it was pretty cool. Pretty cool out in the woodlands. I liked it. Honestly, I was in Houston a lot of that summer. A lot of it was like Houston suburbs, Austin suburbs, all that. You said Woodlands Church. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what church it was. Like we went to so many different churches. There were probably like a couple weeks I was in the Woodlands, but like I don't know what church it was. I want to say it was in like 2018 that this happened, but it was a while ago. But the company I was doing it with, it wasn't like a specific church. It was like there's a camp. It was like T-Bar M camps. But no, yeah, not a specific. There's not like a specific church they're affiliated with. All right, so as of right now, you see this little projection that we drew. It's kind of playing out. We'll kind of see. We will kind of see. Hey, 43 people watching and 43 likes. Hey, not bad. Got the family showing up today. Shout out to Hakeem for waking us up. Here, I'm gonna turn up my audio just to make sure that everything's all right. Yeah, it sounds like everything's good. I just gotta check in sometimes. All right, so we're going up now. It's pushing up. All right, so this is what you would almost call inducement. I just want to see how much options are going for now. Okay, so yeah, we're pushing up. I think I'm gonna be greedy and like, okay, so that 574 put I was looking at went down. So now it looks like I might be able to actually move up to like a 576. I got 18. If we let's see if we can get it to push up a little bit more or come back up. See if I can get this 576 put for $18. We'll see. And let me check the analysis on the SPY real quick too. See where the volume and everything is. So there has been a crazy amount of volume at the 580 level. There is actually a good amount of put volume at the 579 level. Let's see where the open interest is. Okay, so open interest, there was a lot of call volume at the 580 level as well. And yeah, so honestly, it's like, it looks like up at 580, that's a good level to try to grab like a quick scalp. That might be all I go for today. We'll see. I'm not sure if I have an alert on this. Yeah, let me add an alert on this so I know when to go in. All right, how do you check the put and call? So I do it on Moomoo. I can probably make another video being a little bit more specific so people know how to search for it, because I do have a video, but I also feel like I need to make a little bit more improvement because I realize I talked about it, but I wasn't like as I wasn't as descriptive as I could have been because there's like 2 sections for it. So yeah, Moomoo is real good for that, especially doing it for free. Yeah, so I can do that today because I feel like it's been too long since I've uploaded a video, but I've been kind of busy, especially like this week. It's a little bit harder for me to make videos when I do lives though, because oh, it's like when I make videos, I kind of like to attack my day, and it's like the actual recording. I like to do it like probably in this time that we're on stream. So Phyllis said, I considered switching from Robinhood to Moomoo just because of those analytics and the trailing stop loss feature, both of which. Yeah. Wait, does Robinhood offer a trail? Nah, just market and. Oh wait, that's to actually purchase. I think they have a trailing one for stocks on Robinhood, I think. But they definitely have it with what was I gonna say? Just market limit. Yeah. Here, let me real quick if you do, anyone that is interested in Moomoo, get up to 15 free shares whenever you sign up using that link. And I think they told me that they're about to also start I think giving you like $30 on top of that too. I think it's with $100 deposit, so it's like if you deposit $100, you get like 15 free stocks, and then also $30, so it's almost like deposit $70, but you're really depositing 100 and just getting 30 on top of that. Like if you look at it like a trade or investment, that's a good return. That beats the S&P 500 gains on the year. Okay, so it's still trying to move its way up. I mean, I'm cool with it because it's like it's letting the theta run out. Let me see where the contracts are. Yeah, so it looks like the best thing I'll probably be able to get by the time that touches is probably going to be a 576. But yeah, it's moving up. It's doing pretty much exactly what I said I hoped it would do. The only thing Robin has on Moomoo is honestly the crypto trading. Huh. Does Moomoo not have crypto? I see. Okay. Oh wait, that's not crypto. Hold up. Okay, so yeah, I see with Bitcoin, you can see the charts, but you can't trade them. I don't trade crypto, so it's like that's not anything that I am like actually aware of. All right, they do have a trailing stop order. Yeah, it's like I felt like I may have seen it. Like Robinhood has been leveling up a little bit. They're just leveling up a lot slower than I would want them to. They need better charts on Robinhood. I feel like Robinhood could be like they have probably the largest like user base outside of like the more established banks, like maybe your Charles Schwab's and whatnot, and TD Ameritrades. Wait, I think Charles Schwab actually just bought TD Ameritrade, so other than your Charles Schwab's or whatever, but they need to take advantage of like actually helping people level up, because it's almost like they want to just keep people at a lower level and have them not advance. All right, so another thing I'm kind of thinking I'm seeing here a little bit is maybe kind of an invisible, I don't know, like range here. We'll see. I would like to see us like actually get above this and maybe, once again come touch this level, but if we don't, that also would not surprise me. Rich it's like I feel like I may have seen it for options, but it's possible that I didn't. I can't say like right now because I'm not in an option contract, but if I was, I would let you know. But yeah, I can't say right now. Yeah, so everything's like real low volume right now. Tesla, yeah, everything is okay. So Meta is pretty much break even. SPY is the only thing that's just like up. Yeah, the SPY might start coming down now. It's like may have missed my chance. It looks like it may be doing something else. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I may just have to leave it alone. Look at it on the 10, 15. You say yes, I believe they do. They might. They might. Yeah, so there could be a short on Robinhood here. It could be like, let's see how they do here. But what I thought was going to happen does not look like it's going to happen the way I thought it was. So I may just end up calling it a day right here. Because I don't have like a crazy amount to, I don't have a crazy amount to play with. Because I've already kind of traded through my balance. So I may have to call it a week here. We'll see. I was hoping we can get a runner like we did last week. All right, so they are catching an increase in volume. So honestly, this could be a level to short. Let's see how they respond at this 579 level. Because the two levels is between is going to be the 580 and 579. If they want to take it and actually sell it off, that would be cool. But like, you got Palantir selling off. I didn't even know I was looking at Palantir over here. I think honestly they're probably going to make the move. So one thing I noticed is like right when I like to get off, which is 10:30 Central Time, they like to wait until that time to like move things. He said, yeah, what he said, I swear I seen one yesterday. It's possible. Yeah, it's definitely possible. Also could be putting in like a double bottom here. I don't think we're gonna go above like 580 like crazy or anything, but it's like if we see 580, that would be a kind of an optimal area to short. Let's see what the let's turn on that VWAP real quick just to see where that's at. Okay, so VWAP is about 5 or what was I gonna say? Let me get rid of these. VWAP is around 578.52, so there's that. So maybe you take a trend line like this, draw yourself, and try to catch a VWAP move. But I don't think I really like the day. But it does look like there's like a lot of meat on the bone for a short. But the contract I was looking at doesn't look like it's going to do anything. So here, let's see. All right. My gold calls are up 65%. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I don't think. Oh, wait, hold up. Yeah, the thing's running today. Or at least on the 5 minute. So market open was over here about. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of been doing a little trendy thing. Got a nice little trend going for it. Looking on the 15. Oh yeah, it's been running. Yeah, got a nice little run going for it. Oh, how's PayPal doing today? PayPal's up. Lulu. Was it Netflix that had their earnings next week? Let's watch them on a 4 hour. Yeah, Netflix has like been running up, going crazy. So here, let's see. XOP calls are up 10% past gas and oil ETF. Yeah, we can a little bit more of a slow mover. Yeah, let's see what happens with this on the SPY. I feel like I'm inclined to believe that SPY is going to drop down past this, but like honestly, if it catches some volume past this, I would have to look for a different strike, but like I'll look at the 574. I'll give it like another 10 minutes just to see if anything wild happens. Set an alert on this. But yeah, it looks like we have a little pattern going here. It just depends on what they want to give us today. The market kind of just dies midday. Yeah, we look like the CMA looks like it's having trouble holding us up. Where are we at? Where is the Robin? I swear the Robinhood app just like disappeared from my phone. Oh no, they just changed colors. I don't know if anybody else got that. Anyone else is like Robinhood updated and is now a different color. Like the actual app, like using the app, it still looks the same, but like the actual app color is like a nastier kind of green in my opinion. I'm not the biggest fan of the change in color. They made like a similar change, like it might have been a year ago. It's like they went from yeah, it's like a lighter, like almost like a slime kind of green. Like I don't know, like it's like Robinhood used to be the same color as kind of like the user interface when you're actually using it, those kind of greens. Then the icon changed to like a darker green. And now it's a lighter green, but it's like even lighter than, I don't know. Yeah, I'm personally not a fan, but it's it's something they did. Yeah, it's definitely a lighter green. Yeah, you can easily tell when institution buying and selling has been coming and going. This, but yeah, we're dead on the day. We're pretty much at a standstill. So not a double top, not a double top. It's more of a, I want to say this is like a pennant formation. So I personally see like a pennant right here. Let me hold 1 second. I mean, it could be. Hold up. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. It's by forming a descending wedge pattern. Oh, to me, this is here. Let's look through different time frames. I mean, could be like depending on where you draw it from. It looks more like, oh, it's like you have to draw. I'm not sure I would say that. Like I still like I'm inclined to see more of this wedge or flag kind of pattern, or this pennant or flag kind of pattern. Personally, bet there's a psychological reason to it. Yep. RH ruined my weekend going yellow over it. Nah, don't let it ruin your weekend. It's all good. It's all good. You know, the color of an app doesn't affect you. It might it might disgust you a little bit, but it's not like you have to go into work there every day. Yeah, yellow. Okay, coming down. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's coming down. Why do you use Wix instead of? I do both. It really just depends. Like it really just depends. Sometimes the wick is a candle body on a different time frame. But something I notice is they can both be respected in a way. And it's like I've noticed like sometimes when I draw it with the wicks, even where the wicks are, they're respected. So for instance, say we have the wicks up here, and say I draw another one right here at kind of the bodies. It's not exactly parallel right now, but these lines would parallel themselves. And it's like I would rather catch it at the most extreme than kind of getting faked out, and then getting stopped out or something. I don't know. So it's like whichever one I find the straightest line, I'll go with that. But that's kind of why I do that. Does AMD look like a... Here you go. Let's check AMD. I had AMD on my list. I was watching for something. Did it? Okay, I was about to say. Like, I was watching for like a sweep of... It was like an older level. I had AMD ready. It was like the first thing I was watching. I was like, yo, if it comes in sweeps this, I'm about to get money. But it did not do that, so... Yeah, AMD was like one of the ones I started the stream off with. So you said AMD looked like a bull flag on the 15. Yo, let's check the 15-minute. I might drop down to a lower time frame. I would say it looks like a mess on the 15-minute to me. Like, it could possibly, but it's like you would typically see the flag more up here as opposed to here. Because I'm a little conflicted saying it just because of this huge wick up here. I would need to like go to a more suitable time frame. But then when I go down, it's like it looks like this. So it really depends. All right, so we're coming back up to test. It's kind of level on the SPY. All right, let's see. Are we coming back up to that 580 level? Shoot, let's see. See if I can load up on a put. Nope, okay. All right, so let's see where we close out. Oh, AMD just broke out of the flag since. Okay, I see you. How's everyone's day today? Hey, my day's all right. I slept all right. I got to stream today. I didn't think I was going to stream today, so it's a good day. In here checking in with the family. Family always almost got us to 50 likes. Yeah, it's a great day. It's a great day. Definitely took an L on the trade it took earlier today on Meta. Got faked out, but that's kind of the nature of a zero DTE Friday. But all in all, good day. How about you? Stock market guys live. How are you doing? Also looks like we found a range, so it looks like we may kind of have a little double bottom action going on. I don't know. Maybe this will bring us back up to this $80 level. Honestly, now I'm just looking for volume to see which way we want to go. Like, we have no volume. I feel like we should have some volume coming in soon. I'm gonna give it like 9 more minutes. Normally, if we get a move, it would come at this point. And it's like if we don't get volume in 9 minutes, I'm gone for the day. I need to go to the post office. Got some things to take care of, little errands and stuff. Get ready for the weekend. Stock Talk David. That's part of the game. Yes, sir, it is. Yes, sir, it is. All right, so, hey, it looks like we're trying to push here. Let's see. We're just here pushing. All right, what else can we watch on this one? So we're on the SPY. What are the Qs looking like? Let me clear some of these trend lines. So when someone says something about a wedge. Well, actually, I'm on a 10. I'm on a 10 minute. Let's go to a 5. The charts look similar. Let's move that a little bit. Or let's see. The Qs is needed to close this gap for like the longest time. Yeah, let's see where this candle closes. If we do break out for upside, say the Qs has the most. Maybe I'll like let's see what the contracts on the Qs are looking like for upside. I don't know. Yeah, that's not happening for me today. Yeah, today might be like a second half snipe kind of day. Because there will likely be another opportunity to catch a trade, but they're really trying to just make nothing happen so no one benefits from anything. So they just collect all the money. Oh shoot! Okay, I didn't even realize that we're at 51 likes. Wow, y'all are going ham today, going crazy with the likes. Y'all just over here trying to sneak the likes in. What platform do you trade on? So just a heads up, this one that you see on the screen, this is TradingView. I don't execute trades in here, but I chart my trades in here. I trade on Robinhood and I trade on Moomoo. When it comes to like buying stocks, I have Interactive Brokers. I also even use like SoFi, TD Ameritrade, or I guess Charles Schwab. I'm pretty sure I'm missing some. I got a lot of just random accounts that I buy stuff on, but mostly when it comes to trading, it's Robinhood and Moomoo. Yo, we're about to get some sort of move. No chasing, no sir, no sir. Yeah, no chasing here. I'm probably just gonna end up not trading anything. It's just like me sitting here just staring like it's like I'm watching the kids play on the playground. I wanna Oh yeah, also that may have sounded weird. When I say that, let me reframe that. This is me saying like I'm a parent and I'm watching my kids play. But I would like to, when I do have kids, I want to actually be out there playing with them. So I need them to show me something, show me that they are at their father's level and they can play. I don't know. I don't even know how to recover from what I just said. But yeah, I need to it's like just sitting here doing nothing. So yeah, this on the SPY, we got this 579 level is kind of like magneted to. And then looks like on the Qs, it's about 593.24. So yeah, I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes. Hey, it looks like it's trying to make a little move on the SPY. But I don't like what I see here. I don't like the potential to the upside. I would like to see it fall through the floor here. Double top at 579.50. Yeah, kinda. Yeah, let's. Oh, hold on, wrong time frame. Yeah, you kind of do have that, but you also kind of have a double bottom here. So it's like really anything can kind of go with this. And we have been, okay, so we're catching the, oh, no, we're not. We've also kind of been, oh wait, hold on, let's go back to the 5. Yeah, we've also been holding above the CMA. All right, so it looks like we're going up, hopefully going up to get batted down. All right, so this says is piquing my interest. But one thing I see is no volume, so that's kind of, wait, hold on. Yeah, this candle has like no volume. So honestly, like I kind of have this trend line, but it's looking like it's more support and resistance today than anything. We see this on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, we're like kind of trending up. See the 2 minute. Still like way up on the 2 as well. I don't really like it. All right. See you Monday, man. Have a good weekend. You too, Sergeant Boss Hog. You too. All right. So yeah, I'm about to close off the stream too. We've hit kind of my time. Yeah, the market, I feel like it's about to just fall off a cliff, like right as I close out. So I'm gonna let this candle close out just to see if they want to pick up any volume. Raf, have a good weekend. Do you monitor and trade on 5-minute time frame or enter on? So there's not like a specific one. It really, I don't know. It's kind of a feeling now. Like right now I'm on the 2 minute, but I honestly it just depends on the trade. Like I try to watch the time frame. Like right here, this on the 2 minute. It really just depends. But I make my entries on anywhere from the 15-minute down is where I make my entries. Thank you for the time you gave us today. I learned a bit from watching your real-time analysis. I like your restraint too. Oh yeah, restraint is very important. But I did kind of, I was going to say I kind of jumped with meta, but no, I feel like I did like what my strategy calls for. So although I lost today, I'm actually proud of the way I went today. So, hey, yeah, that's going to do it for the day, family. Hey, 52 watching, 53 likes. I don't know how y'all pulled off that magic. Thank you so much, family. It's been real. I hope each and every one of you has a beautiful day and a blessed weekend. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Mass 3D RC, thanks, man. Really appreciate everything. The real-time analysis was great. Thank you. Hey, thank y'all.